So Pale, tell me about, what's He Taunga Waka about?
So Ria,
Yeah.
He Taunga Waka was developed as a face-to-face workshop originally, using the principles of whakawhanaungatanga, ako and aro, or if in Pacific Island terms, using the Cook Island terms of aka'a, api'i and amanako. Throughout the whole workbook, we'll get more into detail as each topic comes up.
Yeah.
And it's really important that in the workbook that people look at the interactive activities, because those activities will help embed the teaching and learning. So, important to embrace all these principles.
These principles are the iceberg under the water. They're the mass under the water, you can't see them. And the activities we have in our workshop and our workbook, they're the tip of the iceberg that you see in the teaching learning space. But if you don't get the principles right underneath, you won't see the tips, they'll become ineffective, they'll disappear. If there's one thing we want you to take away from this workshop, from this ebook, it's that the importance of these three principles: whanaungatanga, ako, aro, aka'a, api'i, akamanako. They're vitally important for engaging your Māori and Pasifika learners in the teaching learning space.